Hi there, I'm Ismail from Pearl Lemon, and today we are going to be talking about topical authority versus domain authority and why DA is overrated in modern SEO. Now, overrated is a bit of a clickbait, but for years, SEO conversations have been dominated by one number: domain authority. People obsess over it, agencies sell it, clients ask about it. But here's the uncomfortable truth: domain authority does not rank pages, and Google probably doesn't use it. Today, we are going to break down why topical authority often beats raw backlink strength and how modern SEO has shifted away from generic domain power. Firstly, let's just redefine domain authority. Domain authority is a third-party metric created by companies like Moz, Ahrefs, Ubersuggest, Semrush. It estimates how strong a website might be, largely based on backlinks. So it's important to know that it's not a Google metrics. Secondly, it's a predictive score. And while backlinks matter, DA simplifies rankings into a single number. That's where misunderstanding begins. Google has repeatedly explained that it uses hundreds of signals. It evaluates pages, context, and topical relationships. While backlinks matter, modern ranking systems, including systems described in Google's helpful content framework, evaluate depth and expertise at a topic level, not just at a domain level. Topical authority means your site demonstrates a deep knowledge about a specific subject, not just one article, not two, but structured coverage. When Google sees multiple interconnected pages about a subject, it increases confidence that your site specializes in that topic. That confidence influences rankings. So, here's a real world example. Imagine two sites. Site A has a domain authority that is high, but only one article about marathon training. Site B has a lower domain authority but has built an entire content hub that includes training plans, nutrition, recovery, injury prevention, pacing strategies. In many cases, Site B outranks Site A. Why? Because topical depth defeats isolated authority. Modern search is entity driven. Google maps relationships between concepts. When your site consistently reinforces a topic through internal links and structured coverage, Google sees specialization, and specialization builds trust. Many sites chase high authority backlinks from unrelated niches. They raise their DA, but they dilute their topical signals. A cooking blog getting links from crypto sites might increase DA, but it doesn't increase authority about cooking. Relevance matters more than raw link power. Think of it like this: I am an SEO. You yourself, you're an SEO due to the fact that you are watching this video, or you are at least interested or knowledgeable about SEO. If someone that plays football calls me a great SEO person, let's say it's even Cristiano Ronaldo or Lionel Messi, people at the top of their game in football, that doesn't have as much power as someone like Neil Patel, Deepak Shukla, or Matt Diggity or Chase Reiner saying that I am a good SEO. Even though these four people I named are nowhere near as famous as Cristiano Ronaldo, their word carries more weight because they are authorities in my niche. So people take them more seriously when they speak about SEO. And that is why we are talking about getting niche relevant backlinks. Now, when does domain authority matter? To be fair, domain level strength does matter. If you are entering a new competitive topic, Strong backlinks help Google trust you faster, but they are an amplifier. They are not a substitute for depth. Backlinks can accelerate authority. They cannot replace it. Modern SEO works in layers. First, you choose your topic focus. Second, you build structured interconnected content. Then, build relevant backlinks that reinforce that topic. That combination builds random link building every single time. Instead of asking about domain authority, ask how many angles of this topic does the site cover? How interconnected are those pages? How consistent is the publishing? That's what modern Google rewards. Domain authority is a useful estimate. Topical authority is a ranking strategy. If you want long term SEO stability, build depth first, then build links. That's how sustainable rankings are created. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this content valuable, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.